So equation of PQ, its slope is 1 upon 2 and it passes through point 5 comma 1. So we'll use the formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We'll put the values 5 comma 1. So 5 becomes x1 and 1 becomes y1. x1 and y1 and slope is 1 upon 2. So we'll get the equation x minus 2y. We'll do cross multiplication here. Okay, because of the bracket 2y minus 2 and x minus 5, equation becomes x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to prove that R, P, Q and R are collinear. If P, Q and R are collinear, it means R will lie on line segment PQ. And if it lies on line segment PQ, then R 11, 4 will satisfy the equation PQ. Satisfy the equation PQ means if we put x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 4 in this equation, in equation of PQ, then it should satisfy the equation. Means LHS should be equal to RHS. So we'll write LHS x minus 2y minus 3. X is replaced by 11. Y is replaced by 4. This is multiplication sign. And if we solve, we are getting 0. That means RHS. So it is equal to, LHS and RHS are equal. It shows that R satisfies the equation of PQ. It means R will lie on PQ. It means PQ and R are collinear points. Fine. Now, question number 22. ABCD is a parallelogram where all 4 points have been given. And we need to, A is coordinates of point A are unknown. And first of all, we have to find out the coordinates of point A, then equation of diagonal BD. See, we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. It means midpoint of AC will be O, midpoint of BD will also be O. Clear? Because OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So we can write that midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. In previous chapter, you have studied the formula to calculate the midpoint of line segment. It is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So if we calculate midpoint of AC, then x1 plus x2 divided by 2, x plus 4 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2, y plus 7 divided by 2. It will be equal to midpoint of BD. That means 5 plus 2 divided by 2. 8 plus minus 4, that means a minus 4 divided by 2. As they are equal, so abscissa will be equal to abscissa, ordinate will be equal to ordinate. So if we calculate, then value of x becomes 3 and y becomes minus 3. So line coordinates of point A becomes 3 comma minus 3. Now we have to find out the equation of line segment BD. We are using the same formula. First we will calculate slope. Y is equal to y2 minus m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We have written like that. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Minus 4 minus 8 divided by 2 minus 5. Clear? So it becomes 4. Equation of BD. Line segment BD. Its slope is 4 and it passes through point B. x1, y1. x1 is 5 and y1 is 8. Clear? We'll substitute in this equation as we did in previous question and we'll solve it. We'll get 4x minus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Clear? Moving on to the next question. It says that find the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 6 and y-intercept is minus 4. Y-intercept, it means C. C is equal to minus 4. Clear? And x-intercept is 6. It means what? It means that line intersects x-axis at 6 unit plus 6 units. And if intersects x-axis, it means at that particular point, its ordinate will be 0. Means this line segment whose x-intercept is 6, it will pass through point 6 comma 0. Are you getting it? Clear? I have drawn the diagram also. See, y-intercept is minus 4 and the position of the line has been shown by this purple line. Clear? X intercept is 6. This point will lie on x axis. So coordinate of this point will be 6 comma 0. As it lies on x axis, the coordinate becomes 0. So we can say that slope, and we'll use slope intercept form because y intercept is given. Clear? So y intercept value of c is given. So y is equal to mx plus c. We will substitute c by minus 4. And because this line y is equal to mx plus c, it passes through point 6 comma 0. Because it passes through 6 comma 0, so it means 6 comma 0 will satisfy this equation. Will satisfy equation y is equal to mx plus c. It means if we replace x by 6 and y by 0, then LHS will be equal to RHS. So we have substituted y by 0, x by 6 and c by minus 4. We have got the value of m. M is equal to 2 upon 3. Now you have to understand this. We have got the value of m 2 by 3 and it is given that y-intercept c is equal to minus 4. So again we will go back to the equation y is equal to mx plus c, where m will be substituted by 2 upon 3 and c will be substituted by minus 4. Clear? So first of all, we used the standard form y is equal to mx plus c. We substituted value of c minus 4 and this equation passes through 0.6 comma 0. So y is replaced by 0, x is replaced by 6. This is all we did to get the value of m. We still have not got the equation. So once we have got the value of m, c is already given. We'll substitute in the standard form y is equal to mx plus c. Then we'll get the equation of the line. Okay. We'll take the LCM and then we'll take it over here. So cross multiplication. So it becomes 3y is equal to 2x minus 12. So 3y is also transferred this side and equation is 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now question number 27. Find the equation of the line which passes through point 1 comma 4 and intersecting the line x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0 on y axis. See, you have to understand this. Purple line is actually x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Clear? And this green line is that line whose equation we have to find out. Clear? Equation of this green line we have to find out. This green line passes through point 1 comma 4 and this green line intersects purple line as well as the y-axis on same point. Okay, and this is the intersection point. What will be the coordinate of this intersection point? Because this intersection point lies on the y-axis, so its abscissa will be 0, means 0 comma y. Y can attain any value, कोई भी value हो सकती है y की, but it will be 0 comma y. Clear? Now I have written the same thing. Line passes through point 1 comma 4 and it intersects y-axis as well as that purple line on y-axis at the same point. So its abscissa will be 0 and intersection point will have coordinate 0 comma y. Now what? This again, if I go back to the, I'll read this. The line x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0 will pass through point 0 comma y. Do you agree? This purple line is x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Is this passing through point 0 comma y? Okay, so if it is passing through 0 comma y, then it will satisfy point 0 comma y will satisfy this equation. So we will substitute x by 0 and y by y in this equation. Value of y has come. Are you getting it? Arey yaar.